Hello everyone, my name is Katie Zarco-Cardoso and I am one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you the new improvement that has existing and future businesses now auto-enrolling in Wellness Living's partner program. It will no longer require inputting details, testimonials, photos, or signing a contract to enroll. Wellness Living's partner program allows Wellness Living partners to get paid by referring other businesses to Wellness Living. Customers can view Wellness Living's partner program information by selecting the app drawer and then clicking Partner Program located at the bottom of the app drawer. The partner program page can also be accessed by opening the staff flyout and selecting Partner Program at the bottom. With this improvement, existing and future businesses are automatically enrolled in the partner program. When a customer visits their partner program page, they will see the following information: the link to share their partner program URL or promo code. Click the three-dot menu to preview the landing page, share their landing page via Facebook or via Twitter. They will also see the Wellness Living Partner Agreement, which is now revised since businesses do not need to manually enroll. This can be viewed in a new tab by clicking the button to the right. For businesses that have already enrolled in the partner program prior to this improvement, their previous contract will be replaced with this new agreement. In addition, there will be a new notification on the partner program page to highlight that there's been a change to the agreement. Once the business views the new agreement, that notification will go away. Back on the partner program page, scrolling down, businesses can see their earnings, as well as more information about how they can earn with the partner program. This section includes a great video with additional information about the program as well. At the bottom of the page, there is a section that allows businesses to learn more about the Wellness Living Partner Program by accessing a Learning Academy training. The convenience of auto-enroll into the partner program is beneficial for customers because it is now that much easier to get paid for referring other businesses to Wellness Living. Customers do not need to take the extra step of enrolling and inputting details. They can start referring immediately by sharing the automatically generated promo code with other businesses. That's it for this training video with the improvements made to Wellness Living's partner program auto-enroll feature. Thanks for watching.